Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how a cashier can cancel a fees which is already captured from the cashier panel payment capture page itself. So as you can see on the screen, we are logging in the cashier panel with the respective username and the password for the cashier. Once you log in and you go to the academic, you select the academic year, then selecting the fee book, that would give you the list of students. Now to cancel any fees for a specific student, in case if the fees captured incorrectly, or maybe it, you know uh, the parent has paid less amount, however some different amount has been captured by the cashier, just in case, and the cashier would like to cancel a fees. So what the cashier can do is, now they can cancel the fees from the captured fees capturing page itself. All you need to do is to go to that, selecting that student. You see there will be cross marks. The cancel button is now available on the bottom of the page for each month. So you can click on this cross button and it would give you a prompt. Please note, a cancel payment cannot be restored. Are you sure you want to cancel this payment? So if you are absolutely sure that the fees needs to be cancelled, because it has already generated a receipt copy at the same time, so please ensure that this fees has to be cancelled, and the parent is also aware of this, because a different receipt would be generated on recapturing the fees. So if you click on confirm, it would give you a prompt as in the payment has been reverted. So as you can see, the payment for this month November has been reverted. Now if the cashier wants, they can go ahead and recapture the fees. So now you need not have to go to the report section and search for the students and then cancel a fees. The button has been introduced on the payment capture page itself, wherein a cashier can cancel the fees from this page. But please understand, if you want to cancel the fees for any specific month in between the year, say for example if we want to cancel the fees for the month of August, it would, if you click on confirm, it would give you a prompt as in please revert the payments for the month of October before reverting for this month, which means this cancellation has to be sequential. So all of a sudden mid of the month or mid of the year, a fees cannot be captured or reverted unless the sequential months fees are being reverted. So it means it has to be done on a real time basis and with the consent of the parent. This is absolute sensitive section wherein a payment is captured for the parent and a receipt is also generated. So this activity or practice should only be done only if you are absolutely sure that the fees needs to be reverted or cancelled. Thank you. One last thing which should also be mentioned before we conclude this video, please understand the fees captured through online. If a parent has made a payment using the online mode from their app, that fees would not be cancelled from the cashier panel, so that cannot be cancelled. For any such requirement, if you have, do let us know for the support team of WOSM. Mail us for the support team to the support team, and with a valid reason we will go ahead and cancel the fees for you. But that would not be able to, that would not be cancel from the cashier panel, or rather a cashier would not be able to cancel the fees made through online mode from the cashier panel due to security reasons. Thank you.